This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Imac keyboard and putting it within 3 feet of your Windows PC. Bluetooth range matters. On Windows, open Settings, choose Bluetooth and Devices, then Add Device. This initiates scanning. If the keyboard uses a Lightning to USB cable, plug it in. Windows may treat it as a wired keyboard. Once done, make sure no other Apple devices are actively paired to the keyboard to avoid conflicts during the discovery process. Next, when Windows lists the Apple wireless keyboard, select it and follow on-screen prompts. The system may display a PIN. You must type that PIN on the Apple keyboard and press Enter to confirm pairing, which proves you're in control of the device. If keys respond oddly, download and install Boot Camp or Apple keyboard drivers for Windows to map function keys and special symbols correctly. Once installed, restart or repair so drivers take effect and key behavior normalizes. To finish, test typing and modifier keys in Notepad. Make sure Command maps to Windows key if you prefer. If the keyboard disconnects or fails to pair, remove it from Bluetooth devices, turn the keyboard off and on, then re-add it. Sometimes a full keyboard reset, hold power until light blinks, clears pairing memory. If problems persist, update the PC's Bluetooth adapter drivers or try a different USB port or Bluetooth dongle. Driver or radio issues are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.